Good morning. Very good morning, children. How are you all? Doing good? Yes. Had your breakfast? Very good. Then let us start, children. Please tell me what is the date today? Today the date is 1. Yes. We are in the new month now. Yes. That is October. Yes. Today is 1st October, right? This year is 2021. Today is Friday. Yes, children. Do you know tomorrow any special day? Do you know? Yes, it is special day. Yes, October 2nd is Gandhi Jayanti. Yes, Gandhiji's birthday. Yes, children. Yes, you have leave also. Holiday is yes. So today no holiday. Today class is there. Okay. Yes. Then let us start, children. Yes. Today you have English subject, right? Yes. So let us see the thought for the day. Only you should change your life. No one will do it for you. Yes. You only should change your life. No one will do for you. Okay? Yes. Then let us see. Yes. Fourth lesson we completed, right? Better late than never. Yes. In previous class, this lesson we did. Yes. What did you understand from this lesson, children? We should not be lazy. Yes. We should work hard for future. Yes. About that only we learnt in this. One squirrel name. Yes. One squirrel. What is that squirrel name? Do you remember the squirrel name? Do you remember, children? Yes. Sunny. Correct? Yes. Sunny. Sunny is the squirrel name. He is having two friends, that is Sammy and Denny. Yes, they are very good friends. But this Sunny is very lazy. Always sleeping. Yes, always playing, sleeping. Very lazy boy is, right? Yes, then once all are collecting, all the squirrels were collecting nuts. Because winter season was very near. So every food they have been collected and kept. But this Sunny didn't do that. But in the last moment he went to collect the nuts. But he didn't get the nuts. Why? Because other squirrels been collected that. That's why he didn't get any nuts. Right, children? Then he was not having any food to eat. Then what happened? Then his friends helped him. Right? They shared their food also with him. Right? Yes. Then hereafter he told he will work hard for next season, winter season. Now onwards I will not sit lazy. I will do my work like that, he told, right? Yes. This lesson we did yesterday, last class. Yes, children? Yes. You have done the word and meanings also, right? Now we have exercise 2. Literature comprehension. Yes. Take out your English textbook part 1. Yes. Page number 20. Please take out, children. Page number 20. Yes. What was Sunny doing while the other animals were looking for food? What that Sunny was doing? Yes, tell me. Yes. Tell the answer, children. Yes, I write on the board. Copy down. Yes, in page number 20. Exercise 2, first one. What was Sunny doing? Sunny was sleeping. Correct? Sunny was sleeping while other animals were looking for food. Yes, Sunny was sleeping while the other animals were looking for food. Okay. Yes, then second. What is the second question we have? How did Sunny's friend help him? How they helped him at last? Yes, tell me how they helped? They shared their food, na? Yes. Write down. Sunny's friends shared their nuts with him because Sunny was too lazy to collect nuts for himself. Okay, yes. What is the second answer? Sunny's friends shared their nuts with him because Sunny was too lazy to collect nuts for himself. Okay, then third one. Yes, third what we have the question. How was the next summer different from for Sunny? How is it was different? Tell me. Yes, in the next summer, Sunny helped his friends and collected food for himself. He was not lazy anymore. Okay, yes. In the next summer, Sunny helped his friends and collected food for himself. He was not lazy anymore. Right? Yes, please write down, children. Then next we have page number 21. Please open page number 21. Yes, here this is homework for you. Please note down now itself, children. Okay, see, exercise 3, read and answer. Read the sentence and write it true or false. Correct the false sentence and write them. Which is false, you should write again that sentence. Okay, yes. See, all the squirrels were working hard except for Sunny. Correct, no? Yes, that is true. The next, Sunny was very active squirrel. Sunny was active, huh? No, Sunny was very lazy squirrel. You have to write like this sentence. Okay. Then, Sammy played hide and seek with Sunny in between working. Yes, in between working, Sammy was playing with the Sunny. Correct? Yes, true. Then the weather had turned hot when Sunny realized he did not have enough food. It was hot, it was cold, correct? So, rewrite the sentence again. But instead of hot, you will write cold. Okay, and it is false also. Okay. Yes, then next. Sammy and Benny were rude and not kind to Sunny. Is it? False. They were kind only, right? They shared nuts and all. Yes, Sammy and Benny. Should write again the sentence down. Don't write how I have written like that. Like this, again the sentence you should write here. These two also. Okay, which is false. Sammy and Benny were helpful and kind to Sunny. Not, you should not write. Only kind. Okay, like that you have to complete. Okay, yes. Then next we have exercise 4. Value-based questions, judgment and appreciations. Yes, first one is, do you think Sunny was lucky? Why? He is lucky. And why he is lucky? Shall I rub this, children? Yes, please complete it by watching the video. This is class work, you should complete now itself. Watch the video again and complete, children. Yes, you should complete today itself and send it. Okay, I will check who all sent, who all not sent, like that. Yes. Do you think Sunny was lucky? Yes, he was lucky. Why they are asking? Because Sunny was lazy and so he did not collect the nuts, right? Then for winter he did not collect, but his friend helped him, right? Yes, we will write that. I will write that answer. Please comment down, children. Yes, Sunny was lucky. Sunny was lazy. Sunny was lazy and so he did not collect any food. Collect any food for the winter. For the winter. He could not. He could have gone hungry. Okay. Hungry full stop. Then, but he had kind and helpful friends who shared their food with him. Sunny was lucky to have such good friends. Okay, please write down, children. Yes. Yes, Sunny was lucky. Sunny was lazy and so he did not collect any food for the winter. He could have gone hungry. Then, but he had kind and helpful friends who shared their food with him. Sunny was lucky to have such good friends. Okay. Then, second question. What is the second question we have? When do we feel lazy? Who helps you to remember that you should not be lazy? Yes, this you should write it. Yes, we feel lazy the most when we go to home. Yes, children, like that we go to home. Yes, I will write that answer. You can write it down. I feel lazy the most when I go home after school. Yes, after school nicely you will play. Then while going home, after going home you feel lazy, correct? Yes, I am too tired because you will become too tired, right, children? Too tired. And I will throw my shoes and bags. You will do, children, like that? Is it? You should not do like that if you are lazy also. Okay? You have to keep it, your shoes and things wherever it is, it should be kept there only. Okay? Yes. I do not change my clothes. My sister helps me remember that I Okay. When you are feeling lazy and who will remember you? You should not be lazy. Is that you should write. Okay. I have written in my way. You can write in your own way also. No problem. Okay. You can write different answer also. No problem. Then turn next page. Please. We have speaking task, group activity. The opposite of lazy is hard working. Yes. Get into two groups. Okay. If school is there, we would have done this, but what to do? Then too I will explain. Two groups we have to make. Each group gives the other group a word. They will give one word. And other group has to guess its opposite. Opposite word they have to guess. If they answer correctly, they have to make a sentence with it. If they tell the correct opposite, then they have to say the sentence also. Okay. The group that gets the most number of correct opposite wins. Who will tell the correct opposite words and correct sentence, they are winner. Okay, like this we can play one game also in these opposite words also. Here are some words that you can use. Here they have given some words, you can use that. She short, cold, winter, clean, heavy, happy, difficult, thin, tall, ugly, strong, young, like that. Young means old. Okay, my clothes are old now. Like that you can make one sentence, right? For old is the opposite. Now for the shorter, opposite is long. My friend has long hair. Like that you can make. Yes, if you are in the school, we would have done this activity, right, children? But at home also you can do with your friends. Yes, neighbors and all, neighbor friends and all, you can play like this. Okay? Yes, then next we have word meanings. I will read, listen carefully children. Squirrels. What are squirrels? Small animals with long bushy tails and soft fur that live on trees. Except means other than. Weather means hot. How hot, cold, rainy, windy it is in this day, like that. Lazy, not interested in working hard or being active. Okay, nap means short sleep. Yes, yes. So you have to complete this and all. Yes, children. And I told you that true or false, right? That also you should do. That is your homework, right? Then this and all are class works. Watch the video and complete it. Okay, page number 20, 21. These two is your homework. Complete it and take a pic and send it in the group. Okay? Each and everybody should do the homework, children, and send it before 8 p.m. Later on, if you send, we will not be correcting. Okay? Yes. Hope you will send before 8 p.m. Right, children? Yes. Then today this is enough. We will meet you in the next class. Bye.